Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is how to make a creative video in Pakistan. So I'll be giving away 5 tips that can help you in creating better videos for your YouTube channel or Facebook or any other platform that you want to upload your videos on. The first step is collaboration, and there is a director, producer, script writer. That effort is eventually what we see on the screen. But for the new creators, you'll have to do everything yourself, especially when you're beginning and you're making your videos. The second step is you have to be confident. You need to have self-confidence. Self-confidence is one of the greatest resource, and it can help you create better videos. If you have self-confidence and a team at your back, you can easily create better videos that are appealing to your audience. The third step is camera angles. It is important to take risks, find new ways to tell your story. You will have to develop a camera strategy that best suits your storytelling requirements. The fifth step is editing. You will also have to add the J cut or the L cut in your editing. Cinematography won't work if you do not edit your videos properly. So there you go. These are my 5 steps to make greater videos that will probably have more traction. Viewers will probably watch it till the end. You will also have to observe and watch the videos of bigger creators. See how they create the imagery that is formed in your brain, how they form the skeleton of the content that they are presenting to you. Create a better or similar setup for yourself. Finally, stretch your imagination to create videos that your subscribers would love to watch. On that note, I'd like to thank you for watching this short video. Take care and have a nice day.